Open. What's this?
Hot.
Oh, it's hot? Yeah, it's hot. Sorry, buddy. Look at this. What's that?
What's that?
It's not burger. It's burger.
Mama.
Okay. Yummy.
Kanin ni sila.
Dado. What's that?
Si Jollibee.
Batata. What do you want to eat? Jollibee? He's singing Twinkle Twinkle.
Yeah.
See this Jollibee, Dado? We're gonna eat Jollibee.
Milad, where are you? Jollibee. Huh?
What's that? Jollibee?
Who's that? Who? Yeah. What's the name of patata? Okay, let's go.
Twinkle Twinkle, he said, little star.
Yeah, there's no stars yet. Hi, Nana. Jollibee.
Wow, Dado will eat fries today.
No, he
And
will eat
chicken.
rice. There's baby.
Dado, you order.
Here, Milad.
Here.
Who's that?
Whoa, look at
Who's
that.
that?
That's Jollibee. Yeah.
Whoa.
What do you want?
What
Do you want fries? He wants batata. What do you want? This one? Ah, that's hot dog.
Oh,
that's
not
hot dog,
chicken.
buddy. Whoa. Whoa.
I said for... Oh.
Whoop. Okay. Which one is it, Dado?
This one.
Get this. So you have fries. Whoa. Yeah. Milado's happy. What? What's that? What? Why? Give me your hand. Dado.
Get the paper.
Get the paper.
Give it to the ate there.
Here. Here, Dado. Milad, here. Give it here. Counter.
Look, she says hi, ate.
Yeah, nice job.
What, Milad? Who's that?
Who's that?
Huh?
Wow. Milado. Whoa. What's that? That's batata. That's Jollibee. For him, Jollibee is fries. Look at this. Where's the car? Where? There. Car. Oh, he's copying Jollibee. See? What does Jollibee do? He's happy. Yeah. Look here, Dado. Oh, Dado. He made Jollibee today.
What? Who's that? Oh my God. Hi, Jollibee.
Jollibee. Yeah.
Oh my God, Jollibee has shoes. What color is the shoes? Han. Yeah.
Dado.
my.
Look at this. Thank you.
Spoon and fork in September.
What's that?
Side.
Spoon and fork here. Okay, thank you.
Here. Hi, guys. Hi. Milad, what's this? Oh, later yan. Later. Oh, Ate Boy daw. What's that? Oh, did you see this? It's so cute. What's this?
Chicken
What's
and
that?
rice.
Milad, open this one. What's
Chicken
inside?
and rice. Open. What's this? Oh, it's hot? Yeah, it's hot. Sorry, buddy.
Milad, what's this?
Look at this. What's that?
What's that?
It's not burger. It's burger.
That's right. Right.
That's rice, but it's hot.
Sanitize first.
Yeah, first sanitize good. He's eating chicken joy. Wow. Yeah.
Papa.
Wow. You see, Dado's having Jollibee mukbang.
Dad,
Right?
what's this?
Batata.
I'll get one.
Batata.
Yes.
Get one batata. It's hot maybe, no?
No.
Wow. Dado likes to eat with Baba.
Okay.
See, he loves to eat with Baba, Dado. Right?
Wow.
I got Dado chicken, rice, and fries.
Yeah.
Now serving 2021.
He's happy, Milan.
Yeah.
Baby.
Because when we were driving on the way, he saw Jollibee and he said batata.
Yeah.
Next time, McDonald's and Milan.
Sabi batata.
Look,
Jollibee patata.
Jollibee batata. Next time, McDonald's batata.
Now serving 2021.
Mama.
Now serving
Babe, try.
2019.
Wow, Dado.
Try.
Ice cream.
Okay. Yum.
Mmm.
It's yummy, right?
Yeah.
Fries.
Atim.
Ice cream you want? Oh. Dado wants to try ice cream and fries.
Whoa.
Oh, more? Chicken rice, he said.
Like a bar.
Huh?
That's hot.
The bar. The bar.
Super?
That's gravy, it's not soup.
Yeah.
Batata pot? Okay.
Whoa. Hot.
Hot.
Sabay.
Diba? He's laughing, Milan. Ate Boy.
Hot dog.
Look at Nana. Oh, Nana.
Nana.
Tenggit si Nana.
Look, huh? Dado, you finished almost one whole chicken. Such a big boy.
So he eats first, so later you eat.
Mama batata.
Ah.
Oh my
What's
God.
happening in Jollibee? You did kamayan in Jollibee, babe, ah?
No, because I'm feeding Dado.
It's good that you sanitize your...
Baby cut.
Okay, here.
Uy! Kanin ni sila. What's that?
Tumabat.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, eat that one. Eat first.
He's watching, Milad. He's watching in the phone.
Yeah.
Wow, you have entertainment, ah.
Now serving
Milad.
2020.
Mama.
Okay. Yummy.
Almost finished. One whole chicken, Milad.
Yeah,
Say
tada.
bye, guys.
Bye. My baby cut.
Flying kiss.
Bye. Say masarap.
Mama.
Another one. 1, 2. Yeah.
Milad, say bye to Jollibee.
Patati.
Bye, Jollibee.
Come here,